MI-3881 Universal Tablet Countertop Stand. Installation. Use the provided bolts from underneath the column and attach the column to the larger base, securing it with a hex wrench. Insert the provided plugs for the freestanding base option. You can also screw the base in or use the grommet option. Loosen the bolts on the back of the tablet case with the hex wrench and expand it to a size larger than the tablet. Attach the tablet case to the end of the column using the 4 provided screws through the front. Insert the tablet and adjust the sides of the case until all 4 corners are snug. Tighten the bolts back down to secure. For cable management, run the cables through the cable pass-through and plug them into the same hole in the column. Pass the cables through the top of the column and plug them into your device. The tablet case may be rotated 90 degrees to change between landscape and portrait orientation. To adjust tilt and viewing angle, loosen the bolts on each of the joints behind the tablet case using the hex wrench. Adjust to the desired angle and tighten the bolts to secure. The tablet case can be adjusted within 180 degrees of motion.